Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So if you're a Nigerian who owns a smartphone but you don't make up to 10,000 naira every single day, then this video is for you because I'll be showing you an easy way, a very easy way to make 10,000 naira every day. That's even the least amount you can make from this opportunity I'll be showing you in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video to those that might be interested in them. And that's basically how we go. So let's dive right into it. So first things first, come to this site called Arbitrage. There are various sites like this, but I'm using this one for this video. There are other sites I've used showed in my channel. You can check those out and now you can decide on which is best for you. But for this video, I'll be using this one because it's the simplest for you to use. Now, if you have your smartphone and you are ready to make this money, then let me explain what arbitrage trading is. So arbitrage trading is basically price exploitation on various exchanges. Now, you have to exploit price to make money. So there's a time in the market where prices goes down on one exchanges and fails to update on the next exchange. So if you find this price difference on one exchange, what you have to do is buy from this exchange, then send to that one that the price is high, and you make profits immediately. And that's basically how arbitrage trading works. So you exploit prices on various exchanges, and that's how we make money every single day. Like I said, 10,000 naira is the least amount you can even make on a daily basis. You doing this, you understand? So first things first, you have to come to this site. Let me break it down. So here it will show you, you see the price. This is the name of the project, Bendog. That's the name of the coin. Now you will see high price, then you see the low price on different exchanges. Like this one, the exchange is MEX, then this exchange is Coinex. So these are two different exchanges that has different prices. Now you can see on MEX, Bendog is 0.01053 and is low on Coindesk because on Coindesk the price is 0.000. You can see 7. You can see the difference here. Yeah, so 0.0007 and wait, and 0.00 on MEX. So how do you exploit this price? We buy on Coinex and send to MEX and sell. So if I buy this price and Coinex, once you purchase it, what you have to do is go to your withdrawal area in the Coinex exchange, send it to this MEX and sell immediately. We are not keeping it, we are not trading. So you don't really need to be a professional trader to do this. So basically you exploit this price and make money. Now if you don't have Coinex, if you don't have MEX, you can find other exchanges you have, or you can easily download the exchanges there. Now let's use one for instance. Like I have Gate.io, I have MEX, I have Bitget, I have Bybit as well. So let's use this for instance. Okay, let's look for the one that has a lot of price difference. That's the number one thing you should actually look out for. So there's $11 difference on this one. So let's check Zex on MEX and Bybit on my phone. So let's check that out. So let's check the price difference on both exchanges. I'm currently on MEX, so let's check the price here. So remember the name is Zex and it's currently at 0.008, okay, 0.082. That's the current price it is at. So let's click it and open it and go to the buy area. Now if you are buying with 100 USDT, that's 1200 Zex, right? So let's copy this. Let me show you how you can make money. Oh, no dey waste time. So let's get over to Bybit and search for Zex XApp. Now check the current price. You can see it's at 0.092. Then so what the exchange rate is A2, that's next. You can see then Bybit is 0.928, 0.93 is even 93 right now. So let me put, so the amount I copied, remember it is for $100. So let me paste it here. That's the quantity of Zex that I bought for $100. So once I paste it here, you can see I'm having $113.5. Bro, this is an easy way to cash out big. You can see the current price. You can see it here. There's no mago, there's no hidden stuff here. You can see that that same amount gave me 1,000. That same 1,219,000 Zex. The one I bought with $100 is giving me $113. Now let's check how much $13 is currently in the market in calculator. So if you have $13 as profits, Let's calculate it by 1.5. You can see I easily made 19,000 naira from this. Let me even quickly buy this stuff ASAP. That's basically how you make money from this price exploitation. You don't need to do a lot of calculation. You don't need to be a professional trader to make money from these platforms, right? And that's basically me showing you an update that works every single day. I mean, there are a lot of opportunities here, right? You can easily use from these sites. I mean, this is just one of them. Every day there are tons of them coming out. You can see there are a lot of them coming out on a daily basis, from Mex, CoinX, Huobi, Indodax. I mean, various exchanges get IO. Whichever one you're using, you can use that one and focus on that one if you don't want to open more exchanges and confuse yourself, right? So you can focus on one exchange and make the best out of it. And that's basically how you make money online on every single day. So if you're not making money already, I don't know what you are doing. And I think you should subscribe to this channel for more financial updates like this. I mean, I'll be showing you various opportunities, ways to make money, even as low as 10,000 naira every single day. Is something, right? I'll be showing you every single day how to make this money on this channel. So you have to subscribe and share this video to people that might be interested, and that's basically how we grow the channel. And yeah, let's go.